And there it is. Dump number 2 in 2 days. The first one yesterday was 4,400 down to here. And it ran flat from 1,800. That's 24 hours. About 26 hours maybe. And why did it dump? Look right here. Where's the lowest volume on this chart? Looks like right here. Let's see how that lines up. Yeah, that's really bad volume right here. I can't even get my finger on it. There's the finger. If you go to the right a few, there it is. Wow. This is the lowest volume since the sideways move there. And when you have the lowest volume moving sideways for 24 hours, that's what happens. There's no buyers. When it breaks below support here, it's cliff diving time. Everybody sets their stop loss limit orders right in this area. And when it breaks below it, they automatically trigger. And it's a cascading effect that is a huge sell-off. On the 15-minute chart, it looks like it might be trying to bounce here as it crosses up through 100, but this one failed. This low is lower than that one. It's not bullish. There's no bullish divergence. Getting above the 7 moving average is nice though. And Litecoin, same thing. The dump started right about here, and look at the volume. The lowest volume on this chart right here. And that's right before the dump. And then volume picks up. Okay, I'm not seeing the buy volume at the bottom again. I am seeing it on Bitcoin. Hopefully it should have been bigger. The buy, the green, should have been bigger than that one to be believable. See, there was no real volume here. There was one spike, but in order for this to be the real bottom, it would have had to have been bigger on that green one than that one, or even that one. And it was just a weak bottom that didn't bounce at all. It just rolled right over. Volume fell off to nothing and down. And that's what's happening right now. Okay, is it a buy? No. Litecoin says minus 107 is still below. I wouldn't be buying this market. I don't see any buyers. We've got a red candle. In order for us to get another, we're looking at another weak bounce that it'll just roll over. I think we have one more down, break below here, or at least has to come down and test it. Test that low right there. But I'm not seeing the buy volume for any kind of vertical V bounce where it goes straight down and then straight back up to right here where the breakdown was. I don't think it'll do that. I don't think it'll tag the middle Bollinger Band like it did last time. I think it'll just churn here for a while, double top and dump again. One more time. Let's see if it hit the target on the weekly chart. Okay, down 142. It was just down at I think it was just breaking below minus 100 on my last update. Down 120. It's approaching the lower Bollinger Band, but it's curving down, inviting it to come lower. Looks like we might have closed, yeah. It's going to close the week below the close this week. That's a breakdown of neckline support of a head and shoulders chart pattern. And on Litecoin, I know a lot of you don't care about Litecoin, but it's one of the main coins I mine, and my profitability is down huge this year already. And of course from November it's just been a disaster. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks sideways, 1 week down, breaking below all levels of support in this area. All of them. All of this was support at the lows here. Broken. Okay, so let's just check the hourly chart real quick. No, it's not done yet. There is no buy signal here. It looks like more down. We do have some upticking on the CCIs, but I'm not seeing any kind of volume. This hour has 12 minutes gone, and we're just not getting the kind of volume that a green volume that's going to break above the red volume to signal that the bottom is in. Let me just gaze at the 4-hour chart. Down ticking on Litecoin, slightly up ticking on Bitcoin. Not looking good, neither one. Now, if this candle can close green in this 4-hour period, okay. But let's take a look at the daily. CCI down on both. Sharply. 200 down. Almost 200 down here. And look, the lower range on Bitcoin's low CCI reading is about 270. That's got a ways to go before it comes down. Hopefully it turns around like it did here and bounces. That is at a level where it can turn around, but with a big red candle like that, no. And breaking below support here, no. Down. The low here is lower than that previous lowest low. Right here. Well below it. Well below that low. Bummer. Okay, so not buying. This is getting ugly, folks. So that's 3 big drops on Bitcoin. This is the 1-month consolidation after the $16,000 drop on December 3rd, which was right here. Okay, dropped $16,000, bounce up to here, and then set a level of support that lasted for 31 days before breaking below it yesterday, and then again today. So we were at 52,000 on the 27th, 2 days after Christmas. 52, and today's low on this second dump, 41,000 even. That might be it. They love these even numbers to turn them around.